Creating an Azure function in Visual Studio Code is a great way to build serverless applications. Here's a concise guide. Prerequisites: ensure you have Visual Studio Code installed as well as the Azure Functions extension. Sign in. Sign into your Azure account using the Azure extension in VS Code. Create a project. Open VS Code, create a new folder for your project and open it. Then use the terminal to navigate to your project folder. Initialize Azure Functions project. In the terminal, use the command funcinit to initialize an Azure Functions project in your folder. Create a function. Create a new function with funcNew. You'll be prompted to select a template. Choose the one that fits your use case. Configure the function. Follow the prompts to configure the function, including its name, authentication level, and other settings. Code the function. Open the generated function script in the appropriate language. Write your custom code logic inside the function. Test locally. Use the Azure Functions extension to run and debug your function locally. You can send test data to it. Publish to Azure. When you're satisfied with your function, right-click the project in VS Code, select Deploy to Function app, and follow the prompts to publish it to your Azure Function app. Monitor and manage. You can monitor and manage your Azure function directly from the Azure portal.